I'm going to try to tell you a scary story using each letter. I saw somebody doing this, so I want to try. Let's get into it. Once upon a time, on a dark and stormy night, there was a bumblebee. But this wasn't an ordinary bumblebee, no. This bumblebee had Tourette's. It would yell out these awful things like, gosh darn it, and... But see, what made this night so special was it was the anniversary of the bumblebee's pet hamster. And we all know that hamsters die in the worst ways possible. But this hamster didn't just die. This hamster was playing the xylophone when out of nowhere, a duck came and ripped its head off. So the enraged bumblebee swore on that pet hamster's body that he would make every duck pay. Howard, Donald, Daisy, Daffy, all of them, using an egg. Their own eggs. So on this night, there was a duck wife and a duck husband lollygagging along a trail in the distance of the night. And this wife was holding something. What was she holding, you ask? A new egg. But the husband hears something in the distance. He hears a subtle buck. Bitch. Gosh darn it. The husband says, babe, I don't think we should be here. We need to leave right now before we get quacked. When around the corner, there he goes, the killer bee. The bee says, you chose the wrong night to lollygag. I'm coming for your egg, and when I get it, I'm gonna take it to my house, and I'm gonna lay on it until the duck guts spew from the creases of the cracks of the egg. The wife says, no, we were going to name it Gregory, please. The bee says, it's too late. You will pay for what you did to my pet hamster, Carl, with a K for some reason. The bee flies at the wife with its stinger, but the husband jumps in front of her and says, fuck! Nobody knows how that story finished, because they didn't live to tell the tale. But they say if you go out late at night, you can still hear a motherfucker.